Welcome to this video on network mapping. After watching this video, you will be able to define network mapping, summarize the features of Nmap, outline the features of Wireshark, explain how cybersecurity professionals can use mapping to their advantage, discuss how the attackers use mapping to their advantage. As network setups become increasingly complex, it's crucial to prioritize security compliance. Imagine a scenario where employees are granted remote working permissions, new devices are added to the network, or businesses gain access to a client's network. How will you track the various components and ensure network security? You can use network mapping. Network mapping is the process of understanding and visualizing a network's physical and logical connections. It involves discovering network devices, such as routers, switches, firewalls, and servers, and understanding their interactions. As an administrator, you can select from a variety of tools to assess the network's topology, recognizing the nodes, services, operating systems, and data paths. One popular network mapping tool is NetworkMapper or Nmap. Nmap enables administrators to identify the devices operating on their systems, discover open ports, and detect security risks. You can use this versatile, open-source tool for network discovery and security auditing. Nmap uses raw IP packets to identify devices available on the network, their services, the operating systems they are running, and type of packet filters and firewalls in use. Further, Nmap offers features such as network inventory, managing service upgrade schedules, and monitoring host or service uptime. Additionally, you can use Nmap's scripting engine to write scripts to automate various networking tasks, from simple information gathering to complex vulnerability detection. Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer, is another essential and popular tool. While Wireshark is not a traditional network mapping tool, it provides features that enable you to deep dive into the network necessary for comprehensive network mapping and analysis. Wireshark provides visibility into the specific network traffic details. Here's how. Wireshark captures and interactively displays the detailed network traffic patterns that occur as data packets traverse the network. These patterns help identify potential bottlenecks or anomalies. With Wireshark, you can dissect data packets, examine protocol-level interactions, and ensure the network's communications function correctly. We discuss two popular tools that can be used for network mapping along with their features. Next, let's understand how IT and cybersecurity professionals can benefit from using network mapping for network management. Network mapping helps manage the network's complexity by clearly representing network components and their interconnections. With a well-defined map, you can easily identify and troubleshoot issues, such as points of failure or bottlenecks, and efficiently plan for network expansions or configurations. In addition, an updated network map is crucial for maintaining security, as it quickly detects any anomalies, such as unauthorized devices or changes within the network. Network mapping supports proactive network management and strategic planning. It also allows for efficient documentation of the network structure, which is helpful for both planning future expansion and maintaining existing infrastructure. While the IT and cybersecurity professionals benefit from network mapping, so do the attackers. Similar to how a burglar surveys a home or a business before breaking in, the attackers use network mapping tools to uncover information about the network structure. They identify unguarded entry points and vulnerable systems and note the different types of defenses in place. The attackers then navigate the network with a lower risk of detection. In addition, the attackers can infer the network's scale, complexity, and hierarchy, helping them to prioritize which segments to target first. The attackers may also deduce the presence of high-value assets, like databases and administrative systems, by analyzing traffic patterns or the locations of specific devices. This information can be crucial for sophisticated attacks, such as advanced persistent threats, APTs. With APT, the goal of the attackers is to move laterally within the network undetected, escalating privileges until critical data can be accessed or system controls can be commandeered. The attackers can use network mapping to craft tailored phishing campaigns or social engineering attacks. The attacker accomplishes the campaign by understanding the role of different nodes, such as workstations used by the employees with access to sensitive information. In this video, you learn that network mapping is the process of understanding and visualizing a network's physical and logical connections. Nmap is a popular network mapping tool. Nmap enables administrators to identify the devices operating on their systems, discover open ports, and detect security risks. Wireshark is a powerful network protocol analyzer. Wireshark provides visibility into the specific network traffic details. IT and cybersecurity professionals can leverage network mapping to manage the network's complexity, easily troubleshoot issues, detect anomalies in the network, proactive network management and strategic planning, efficient documentation. The attackers leverage network mapping to identify unguarded entry points, vulnerable systems, defenses, navigate the network, prioritize target segments, deduce high-value assets, craft tailored phishing campaigns or social engineering attacks.